Yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting others to come and join us. Hello. 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 Sanam Siddiqui. Hello.
Hi, yeah,
Hello.
hi, sir.
Hello. How are you?
I'm very good. What
Very good.
about you?
Fine. Very good. You are from which
Yeah.
place? Which part of our country?
I am from Middle, which is Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Oh, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Good. What is the degree you studied? Which year did you complete?
I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science in 2018.
18. Good. After that, you have been working for?
Yeah, I am working for Tata Consultancy Services
You,
as
nowadays,
a system.
you are working from home.
Yeah, we are working from home.
Good. What is
I think.
very good? What is the job role you are performing?
I am a system engineer and my role is support executive. I am working in a banking project. The bank is a UK based bank and I am providing applications support in production environment over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that means what is the nature of work you'll be doing every day? Supposing you join, you take up some work, what you'll be required to do?
Yeah, basically there are many roles which I am performing my duties, but there are four major roles. In the morning, I have given some application which are related to the bank and they are used by the various branch over there. So I have to perform their health checks, whether the applications are running fine, whether the servers on which the applications are held or working, they are up and running, whether the services related to the application are working fine. Even I myself log in into the application as a users over there are logging and see whether they are working fine, the logs are updating fine. Also, I handle the tickets related to that particular application. The customers are raising some tickets, they are facing certain issues. So I am the one person, basically I am the first point of contact to them to come. I resolve the tickets within the specified SLA. Also, I am the person to come across with the various service improvement for my application under the budget specified by the project or the client. So these are basic roles. These are my basic roles, and I'm also working as team management where there are various communication between the teams. Also, I have to contact to the different person, for the application support, like there are queues in which documents are coming, so I have to ensure the smooth running or functionalities of that queue also. So these are my role over there.
Very good.
And if yeah, okay.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So that means you enjoy your work.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Actually, I enjoyed and during work from home also, because we are having that. I have told you right that we are resolving the tickets also. So we are having the video calls to teams with the clients over there. So this feel very real to resolve their query by contacting with them to face. So
Face.
I'm just yeah. So
Yeah.
this is a good experience for me also.
So that means
And
you have applied for which post in Bank of Maharashtra?
it's IT support
Acha,
admin.
acha. Acha, acha.
Yeah.
Your support, you applied for IT support admin. Good, good.
Hmm.
Um, what do you think will be your job role in Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, I will be first. I think I will be a point of contact for all the IT related issues that are faced by the branches over the bank, and I will be responsible for the service improvement in the servers. If there is any server is down, then I will be the first point of contact. I will be a channel through the between the development team and between the customers which are using that particular application. Also, I will be responsible for the configuration and installation of various software and as well as their hardware components. Basically, I will work, I think I will, as a support admin, I think I will work as a voice and face of that particular organization for IT.
Good. So that organization, Bank of Maharashtra,
Okay, Bank of Maharashtra.
tell me 5 good points you know about Bank of Maharashtra.
Okay, for sure. So Bank of Maharashtra was established on 16th September 1935, and it's one of the leading private sector bank in
Huh?
India.
Leading?
Public sector banks.
Mhm.
I just
Mm. Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, public
Yeah.
sector banks in India. So what is a public sector bank?
So basically, public sector banks are those banks which are owned by the Government of India and Ministry of Finance, and they are included in the second schedule of the RBI Act
No,
1934.
no, that is not the definition of public sector bank. A public sector bank is one in which government holds 51% and above shares.
Okay, sir. I will update it.
51% and above shares are held by government. Those banks are public sector banks. Now, right now in India, how many public sector banks are there?
So there are 12 public
Good.
sector banks.
There are 12 public sector banks where government holds more than 51% share.
51% share.
So what is a private sector bank? A private sector bank is one in which government holds less than 50% share capital, or there may not be any investment of government also. So can you name a few private sector banks?
Yes, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Federal Bank, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank. These are some
Major banks.
banks.
Good. So now
So,
about Bank of Maharashtra. Come about Bank of
yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So basically, I remember on 18th November, Bank of Maharashtra has opened its 2000th branch in Andhra Pradesh. Also, Bank of Maharashtra has recently collaborated with the NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, to launch its Platinum Credit Card on the RuPay platform.
Good.
Okay.
About Bank of Maharashtra, who is the MD and CEO?
Sir, Mr. A.S. Rajiv is the CEO of Bank of Maharashtra.
In their website, what is it they are telling? What is the aim for their growth? What is the aim of growth they are expecting in deposits and advances and deposits? Did you go through their website?
Yes, I went to the website and I have seen there is 2 lakh plus some business which has been done in this financial year by Bank of Maharashtra. And I have
actually,
read
here it is, the first page itself, it is given. We aim to grow our advances and deposits by 14 to 15%. That is advances 14 to 15%. Deposits 10 to 12%.
Okay, sir.
Advances they want to grow 14 to 15%.
15%.
Then deposits they want to grow 10 to 12% respectively in the financial year 21-22. What is a financial year?
So financial year is which is started from April and ends in May. Basically, all the financial activities or the budgets are estimated through this period of time
Good, good,
in
good.
economic. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So did you go through the website of their Bank of Maharashtra? And
Yes, sir.
what are the things that have impressed you? What are the things you are remembering?
So in the above the footer section, I have seen there's various article was there, like they have opened their 2000 branch. They 16th of September was their foundation day. So these were there, and also for the home loans, they are providing a good offer, like 6.4% interest rate over the home
Good,
loans they are providing.
very good.
Yeah.
Car loan, how much
So-
are they charging?
I think it was 6.8 or 6.2. I am just
Correct,
confused.
6.8. Good.
Yeah.
How much are they charging
Yeah.
for gold loan?
So that I can't
7%,
recall.
7% per annum.
7%.
7% per annum. Under deposit
Yeah,
schemes,
so even
they have
yeah,
given
so even in the
4.90.
oh yeah, okay. I will update my
Yeah, you just go through that also and get to know.
that's
So
right. Yeah.
now, what is the role of a bank in an economy of the country? Broad question, both bada question.
Yeah.
What is the role played by bank in economy of our country?
So basically, I think that basically bank is the backbone of the economy of our country, because it manage the fund flow, it manage the cash flows over the country. I think it's for my experience as a technical person, I think it's a loop. Like bank is taking from their customers, they are taking them as the deposit, they are lending them to the other customers. So basically the money flow in one or either way, it's going to the bank, and through bank it is going to their parent organization, their mother and father organization, which is RBI. So I think the cash flow, the money flow, the financial flow of a country is basically driven by the bank only. So bank play a very major role in our country. They are there to lend the advances, there is one major point also. There are various government scheme, and they use bank as a platform to give that scheme that benefits to the local people through banks only.
Yeah,
So these
good,
are the
good.
some of the
Yeah, have you heard of the term DBT?
DBT. No, sir, I am not able to recall now.
Direct,
DBT.
direct benefit transfer. Have you heard of this?
Direct.
No, no. Direct
I have
benefit,
heard, but I exactly don't know about it. So
direct
I don't
benefit
know.
transfer is a facility that we are having in respect of, say, in Indian gas subsidy giving, and in
Yes,
the case
there
of
were
PM
various
Kisan
schemes by
Samman
the
Nidhi scheme,
government.
whenever government releases
Yeah.
large amounts to large number of people, it is all done through direct benefit
Direct
transfer.
benefit. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government has also transferred some amount to the accounts of the farmer through
Farmers.
direct.
You are living.
benefits
You are
yeah.
living in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
Who is your chief minister?
Shriman Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Who is your governor?
It's Chhagan Bhai Mangu Bhai Patel.
Achha, good. How many districts are there in your Madhya Pradesh?
It's 52.
52? That much
Yes,
big it is, Acha? 52?
Yeah, so it's
Very big.
It's the second largest.
Very big
state.
state then. Good, good. Which is
Yeah,
the biggest district in terms of area?
it's Indore. In
Indore.
terms of area and in terms of population as well,
Achha.
it's Indore.
And Indore has got the award for Swachh Bharat.
Bharat Sarvekshan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's come
How
faster.
How far is Indore from your place?
Yeah, sir, it's like by travel, it's like 3 hours travel only. It's not much far.
Not far. It is nearby only. Good. Good.
Yeah.
Now you are already working in a company for a long time. Don't you feel that you will have excellent opportunities in your being sent abroad and all. Why do you want to come over to this place, say Bank of
Sir,
Maharashtra?
yeah, sir, from the very beginning, I was looking for a stability and a secure job, and I have some interest towards the banking sector also, and it will be very good opportunity for me to work in the profile and use my experience which I am having in the public sector bank also. So basically, there are 3 points which I want to say. The first one is stability and job security over there, and flexibility. Also, banking sector are also excelling in the IT field like digital banking, and also it will help me the showcase my skills. So I decided to switch towards the banking sector, especially in the role which I am having. And the post which I have applied for, it's basically comply with the role I am performing over there, and it will help me to add on to the services of the bank as well. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity for me to be to work with a leading private
To
sector.
come to the bank. Yeah. How many siblings do you have?
We are four. We are basically we are 6 members in my family. My father is a private teacher. My mother is a homemaker. Yeah, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Yeah.
You are number 3 or number 4?
I am number second.
Number second. That's right.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
How is it to be a say senior child or junior child? Which form is good
Mm. Sir, I
in
think
terms of
with
home
senior,
situations?
I think with senior child there comes responsibilities.
Yeah.
There comes compromising nature, because I am a elder sister. Then I have to show some motherly instincts within me to my to my
Sis-
younger ones.
Very
So
good.
I enjoy my role as a senior
Senior.
one in my.
Very good. Excellent. That's nice. Now, what makes you think that this job is more relevant and suitable for you?
So as I have stated earlier, that my skills are good for me. Also, I will able to showcase their skill. Also, stability and job security is one thing. And previously, like currently, I am already working for a bank. I know what are the pros and what are the cons, and basically I'm providing the production live support. So applications are live and I am providing the support. So if any issue comes there in business hour, then I know how is the impact over the bank. So I can use this and I can grow by using this. I can grow with the organization Bank of Maharashtra, and I can go as grow as an individual as well. I think so.
Now,
So
for this
this
question, no. For this question, I think you can tell about some of your strengths. Like, say, I am a hardworking person. I am a self-confident person. I am a positive attitude person, and I am good in managing time management skills, and prioritization is a good thing in me. I possess leadership skills, and I also have very clearly defined goals as to how I should progress in career or whatever areas it is. So you can tell something more like that. Okay.
okay, like I'm a very hardworking person. That is my strength, and I have a leadership quality in my
What
teams
are the
also.
what are the languages you have studied?
I have studied C, C++, and Java. Also, I have a bit knowledge of cloud computing as well.
Okay.
And
Can you
yeah,
elaborate something on cloud computing? What is cloud computing?
basically, I think the cloud computing is one of the most wonderful aspect of the IT world. Cloud computing it's basically a technology. It's a technique which provide 3 basic service model. First one is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Uh, Earlier, we have to use it is providing the service over the internet, so we can access the service from the internet. Earlier, like if we are we have
No, my
to,
question is, cloud
yeah
computing is used only for storage or for some other purposes also?
No, sir. It's not. I don't think so. It's particular to the storage. It is providing the service also. Like like take example of software as a service. Like if I have to use a software, then it is not required that I will go to the vendor and I will purchase that and I will purchase the license also. Maybe my work is for only 2 to 3 days and I have to purchase that for a year. So through cloud computing software as a service, I can rent that.
Mhm. Good.
I can rent that and I will start working on that. I have not to be worried about their licensing or the cost because it will already be provided by the organization, by the company or the vendor I am taking this for. So
Will
I
you
think it's a good.
will
Yeah.
you be suitable for working in a public sector environment? You are
Yes,
being a
sir.
person working in a private. How will you
Mhm.
fit into our public sector environment?
Sir, I think I will be very much suitable in working in a public sector environment because I have this quality that I always abide by the rules and regulation of the certain organization which I am working from. Or also, I think that working in private sector is not very much different with the public sector as well. And I am flexible person and I am readily available to adapt things, to grasp things in a short period of time. So I will learn, I will explore, and I will try to be better every day. So
Good.
this, yeah.
Very good. Very good. I have not asked much other questions and all. Do you have any questions?
So yeah, like
Do you think I have not
it's
asked some
not
question?
related
Which
to interview.
question?
Sir, we have it.
Which question do you think I have not asked you? Which you were expecting I have not asked?
Uh, So basically, there are some actor to HR, like if they would be asking something about your hobbies and how well you know about the thing you are doing.
Mm.
These are the some question which I am
Definitely
expecting.
hobbies they will ask you, and you
Then
must
some
correlate.
banking related questions like yeah, you were asking from every person I was following you, like about CVS and all,
Yeah,
which
acha,
CVS.
acha. Yeah,
Yeah,
that one I have not asked. Yeah. Now let me
yeah.
ask question relating to that. How do you think ATMs are connected?
So ATMs are connected through National Financial Switch Architecture.
Good, very good.
So, yeah.
National Financial Switch is run by whom? It is maintained by
It's
whom?
uh, NPCI,
Good,
National Payment Corporation of India. It has been established in 2008.
very good. You know it.
Yeah.
Very good. You are more or less covered with all the things that you need. When is your interview?
So it's on 16th.
Ore Baba, jaldi. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you come tomorrow also? I'll be open having sessions like this. When you feel like coming, you can just peep in and you can raise questions for others also, or you can listen to what others are speaking. It is up to you to decide. If at all you are
Yeah,
free, you
yes,
can. I'll be here only during 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, I'll be online only with one
okay,
or
sir.
the other persons. You can come and join us. Do you have
Okay,
any
sir.
doubts in your mind?
Sir, it's regarding the call letter. We haven't received any call letter for the interview.
Acha,
Do you know anything about it,
other
sir?
boys, no, I don't know anything. Others can also answer this. Vishal,
No,
Sangeeta,
we haven't received.
you are
No,
not.
we haven't
No
received.
one else, then it's okay. Yeah.
Don't worry, because they have given you the time at which you have to go for the place.
Mhm.
They have also told you where you have to go. Correct?
Yeah. Everything is in place. Yeah, but
They will open
everything.
it. I think they will open their call letter maybe tomorrow or so.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
I
because
think
I think 16th is the date from where the
16th is
procedure
the
is
first day.
starting.
Na?
Yeah. Yeah.
16th
Yeah.
is the first day. Possibly they may open on 15th. Then you can
Yeah.
download,
Okay.
and otherwise you take the um, their letter itself that about all the people
Mhm.
being called, and that itself will do. And
Yeah.
you
Okay.
perhaps you have the original test examination call letter? You don't have it with you. They have collected it from you?
Yeah, they have collected that with us.
Doesn't
They
matter.
are asking for the application printout which we have filled. So I have that.
You have that. That will do.
Yeah.
Very good. Vishal, do you have any points to add on this regarding call letter? I think tomorrow we will know the position.
Yeah,
And-
I
So
also think.
call letter, I think they haven't provided in their website.
Mhm,
So I just check.
mhm.
I think we should wait for tomorrow and
Yeah,
then we will
actually,
continue.
actually, I have checked their website also. So for the previous examination, also they haven't provided any link for call letter view, call
Mhm.
letter for interview also. So I think they will email us. I think.
Yeah, any
Yeah.
email or I don't know what will come. And with that, you go and attend the interview with confidence and tell us the questions they are asking. Please post the
Yeah,
questions in our Telegram group,
Yeah, sure.
yeah, or in our WhatsApp group, to me to WhatsApp, so that I have to transfer to them. Otherwise, please post it in Telegram. That will do.
Yeah, sure.
I will
Sure,
collect it. I will collect it from there. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. 1 minute.
Mm.
You are there. Sangeeta is also a girl here. Sangeeta, would you like to ask some questions to Sanam?
Uh, I think she's having good knowledge of banking.
Yeah, yeah.
Just now I saw.
Yeah,
Okay, I
she's
think
answering
that-
questions nicely.
Nice.
Good. Now, Sanam, would you like to ask Sangeeta some questions? Nothing in your mind?
No, nothing.
Yeah, very good. We will yeah.
Sanam, like, do you have any hardware experience? Like working on hardware?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically we are providing the application support in the production environment, but regarding the hardware also, we come across with various issues the customer are facing which are related to their machine also. So we just we are having a predefined solution for them. So we just update them with that also only.
Okay, but you're not doing
bit
any
better.
manual work, right? Manual hardware work is not there related, right?
No, manual hardware work is not there, but a basic knowledge of some of the hardware components we are having. Because as my role, we have to work with every field over there.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we will continue with our Vishal. And
Yes,
in
sir.
case this
Yes,
comes
sir.
to an end, we will continue again. After 40 minutes, if it comes to an end, we will come again, and so that we have a sense of completion. With Sangeeta, I am happy I've done a full interview. With Sanam also, I think I've done more or less full interview. Unless Sanam has some questions to ask. Do you have questions?
I'm just thinking.
No,
I
no
will-
problem. Yeah, no, if you get some questions, you retain it with you. You can ask me. Now we will continue with Vishal. Vishal, where did we
Yes,
end
sir.
it last time? What was the question I was posing you?
So you asked me about my family
Family.
background.
Yeah,
Yeah.
family background and all
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah, we were discussing about that. You are actually from which place?
So I'm basically from Mumbai. So
Mumbai.
I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, and then I shifted to nearby Thane, which is also in Maharashtra.
It
state.
is also in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
For you, no problem, because a lot of openings will be there in Maharashtra, and anywhere you are posted, you are going to be at home only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And shifting of your family and all is not a big issue for you. Correct?
No, sir, it's not a problem for me. I
Because
can manage it. Yeah.
you can manage. It's not a difficult issues. Good. Now, I think where we did we discuss about role model and all? No.
No.
Who is your role model?
So my role model is there are two role models, I can say. One is
Mm.
my mother
Mm.
and one is my elder sister.
Mhm. What are the
So
qualities you
basically-
would like to learn from them?
Qualities like confidence, ability to work under any challenging pressure environment, because so my father expired at a very early age of mine. Like I was only 3 years old.
Oh,
That time
Baba.
my father expired.
Oh,
And then she carried away with the responsibility, and how she managed 3 childrens. That was a great thing to learn from her,
mhm.
I can say. So that is one of the best point I can say.
Then about your role as elder sister?
Elder sister, she is also having she is now into the police department. She is working under the state of Maharashtra State Police Department, and she
In-
also is sorry.
In what is the position she is occupying in there?
He is now a head sub-inspector of police.
Oh, Baba, sub-inspector. Oh,
Yeah.
it's very tough
So
to.
she is also my role
No,
model
what-
because
Now, what
she,
is
every time
no?
I
What
can
is
see the
it?
quality. Best quality is like she also manages stress, and she never takes a problem. I think she face any problem with her self-confidence, and that are the best qualities to learn from them.
No, what do you think is the difference in quality required, say, in while working as a police official and as a bank official? What is the difference in qualities that are needed for these two people?
So the bank. I will start with the banking employee. So banking employee, the qualities will be like he would be very humble with respect to the customers, like the clients whoever are coming to the bank. They should be humble enough to provide the support, provide the guidance. So that are the basic qualities the bank employee should have. Also, they should be able to concentrate on their job because their job involves mostly on the mathematical part, maintaining the account balances. So that is the one of the quality they should have. And for the police department, they should. I mean, there are different qualities they were also required. Like on the foot, they have to go whether they are into the family holidays or any stuff. They have to be on their foot every time.
Oh, say that means your sister also has to be on calls 24/7.
Yeah, 24/7. Anytime there is some major issues in locality area or any district level issues, that time they call everybody at whatever
Oh,
time.
so that is the problem.
That is a problem, but that is amongst now in the police department, that is in their blood now, I think I can say.
She has got used to it.
Yes.
Excellent. But bank job is not that very problematic.
No, banking job is, I think that is not that much problematic, but they have to be very careful about accounting and all this stuff because the money is involved.
No,
And
leave
if any,
leave alone the job as a banker. Now, as a
Yeah.
bank IT professional, आपका problem
Yeah.
क्या होगा? बताइए.
So the IT professional problem will be more because IT is not a standard job like any clerk job. So IT, we have to be very careful about anything what we are doing on the system because a small mistake can be a mishap if anything happened at the server level. So if server goes down, then all the entries cache and this digital nowadays banks are more reliable or more dependent on the central banking system like servers and all their dependency is very much with the IT infrastructure. So if anything goes wrong while doing our job or operation duties, so that may impact overall customers reliability or say customer satisfaction. That can be challenging for the bank.
Yeah, some bank servers are very good. They don't fall down quite often. Whereas some banks, for example, even my own bank, Indian Bank, we have a mobile software known as IndOasis. But many times it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It is not. It is having problem in its continuing. It will not continue, or even if it continues, it will not accept the say OTP immediately and all that. Some problems are there in that.
Yes, that will affect the customers' orientation towards such banks because they will try to find another bank because there are nowadays competition in banking sector as well. So that laws lose the customers.
In your view, which banks internet banking or mobile banking is very good in India?
So personally saying, I have my accounts in 3 to 4 banks,
Uh,
including public sector as well as private.
mm,
I can't see any difference
mm,
in terms of speed and these things.
mm.
So I think they're all common.
No, in terms of efficiency, sometimes some servers don't work for a longer time and all that. आपको किस बैंक को बताएंगे आप that is not working well or working very good,
I
For whi-
can't say
for which you
for
people
all
are
the
res-
banking.
for which
So
you
I
people are
am using for 3 to 4 banks.
Mm,
So out of that, SBI is having some problem.
mhm.
So remaining banks, I don't think I
Acha.
have any problem.
Acha, acha. This is what you say. But I think in my view, SBI has got a very good infrastructure. Not that
Yeah,
Bank of Maharashtra infrastructure is not good, but they have a very
no,
good.
because I am not having the Bank of Maharashtra online banking account currently, so I can't comment on that part.
Mhm. Good, good.
Whatever I am having the accounts, that I am telling as per the my using of that online banking system.
What do you understand by CTS? Hello.
Sorry, sir.
What do you understand by the term CTS?
In terms of banking or
Yeah, in terms of banking.
maybe check clearance system. I
No,
am
no.
not having that any
Acha,
idea.
check truncation system.
Okay, check truncation system. Sorry.
You know what is check truncation system? Don't know. Anybody
no, no.
knows? Anybody knows here? Sanam Sadiki and Sangeeta, of these three people, anybody knows what is check truncation system?
Yeah, sir, it's check truncation system, and they are basically used for processing checks of the banks and clearing checks of the banks.
Very good. You have to use the word clearing of
Yeah.
checks. In the process of clearing of checks, earlier we were sending physical checks. Nowadays,
Yeah.
physical checks are not sent. It is only the image of the check is sent through internet for the clearing. So this process is known as check truncation system.
Okay.
This question, they are asking for substaff to clerical promotion in a bank also. So as a technical man, you must know this, that
Okay.
it is a process by which checks are being cleared. Okay. Do you know what is the expansion of the term PIN, which is used by us in, say, internet and other places? You must be knowing it. What is PIN?
PIN. It's a PIN.
PIN ka
Personal
expansion.
identification number.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Personal identification number. Correct. Have you heard of Mudra? What is Mudra loans? Have you heard about it? No. Mudra loan में maximum क्या होता है?
Yeah.
Have you heard anybody?
Yes, Mudra loans are, yeah.
Mudra, there are 3 types of loans, na?
Yeah, they are, Tarun, Kishore,
Uh,
and one I forgot. Basically, there are 3 types of loans under Mudra loan, and
Tarun, Kishore, and Sishu.
Kishore, Sishu. Yeah, Sishu is the first one, and the loans we are getting, advances we are getting, it's at 50,000, and in
Maximum
Kishore we are getting
up to Kishore loans are up to
maximum. I think it's
50,000 to I think 5
it's
lakh.
I think it's 10 lakh, 15.
No, maximum is 10 lakhs.
50,000 to 5 lakhs, and after that 5 lakhs. Yeah,
Maximum
5 lakhs
maximum
to
is
10 lakhs for
maximum is 10 lakhs.
10
Very,
lakhs.
very
If they
good.
ask
Yeah.
this
No,
kind of, I think
they
we
may,
are from the
no,
IT
that is
background.
that is why I have provided you a material known as Guidely Banking Awareness Material.
because
Guide.
I'm not aware of the schemes which are being used by the banking
Vishal,
systems.
do you have the link of materials provided by me for Bank of Maharashtra interview?
No,
What
only
is
you have provided me the computer knowledge from
no,
the
no,
PDF.
no, Baba. No, no, no.
Yes, sir. I think it's in Telegram group.
Ah,
It is provided
Okay,
in
okay. So
Telegram
I
group, so you
yeah.
actually
can select from there
checked the
also.
WhatsApp group.
You are in WhatsApp. No, Telegram group में दिया है.
Okay,
Bank of Maharashtra. Again, I will provide you. I will provide
okay,
you 1 minute. Video links इसमें I will give you the link for Bank of Maharashtra. 1 minute. For Union, this is the link. You are now where? I'm providing it again. Are you in Telegram or not?
yes, I
Vishal?
am in Telegram. Yes, yes, yes. I am there in the Telegram.
Abhi, once again, I'm giving it.
Okay.
Once again, I'm giving it. You can see it there.
Yes, yes, got it.
Once again, you got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
OneDrive
So,
link, na?
OneDrive
Actually,
link.
I don't have account
please,
in OneDrive.
please click that. Please click that.
Yeah, I have clicked, but it's asking for the sign
Uh,
in. I don't have the account, so I need to create
no,
OneDrive
but
account.
OneDrive sign in is not required, no?
No, it's required. When I click on that link,
Not required.
No, it's not
it's
required. It is not required. OneDriveLive.com. You just go therein. You will Bank of Maharashtra Specialist Officer. Are you not getting it?
Actually, I get your link, https onedrive.ms
Hmm,
/some/u/s. That link I got.
hmm.
But
No.
when I click on that link,
Hmm.
it
Now
it
I have
goes
given.
to the
Now I have
OneDrive.
given in. I have given one in Zoom. You please click that one.
Okay, okay.
Try this. Sangeeta, you are able to open Bank of Maharashtra link. Sorry, Sangeeta, Sanam, are you able to
Yes,
open?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm able. I think he's facing this issue because maybe he's not logged into through Google because they sometimes ask for credentials.
Oh.
If we
Anyhow,
have logged
no,
into
if this stops again, we will come again online. Maybe if some doubts are there, we can discuss. Okay. If somebody is interested, you can come. I will come again online. We will continue for some more time. And some banking questions and others I will tell you. Some banking
Okay.
materials. I will
Okay.
tell you some banking material.
Yes, sir.
So you can listen to them. Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, banking material is very much required.
I will tell you. I will tell you.
Because
Yeah.
on the technical part, we can answer